Ayo Boss, and welcome back. On behalf of Chef and the Cooking Corner team, we just want to start off by saying we've missed you. I know it's been several months since we've been all working hard to get you to new recipes, and we apologize. Chef and some other team members have, had some kids, and some people have had more kids, and Chef has now 2, and all these families are growing, and it's just gotten so crazy and busy. So we just want to say we finally got back together to kind of put some videos together, and then everything happened with, COVID and all this craziness. So Chef will kind of get into everything down the road. He just said, let's throw some videos out, tell them we're back, do our best job to get videos out on Thursday like we used to, and have some fun. So today Chef is going to do that. He's going to show you how to make some grilled French fries. So yeah, leave the oil at home. Let's forget about Corona for 2 minutes and get cooking. So Chef said you're going to start off with some Idaho potatoes, or Russetts as they're called. They're all washed, and all Chef did was he cut each one in half, and he made these into wedges. So he cut those down into strips like you can see. He didn't use his potato cutter because he's going to grill these. After that, Chef's going to put these in a steamer pot, and he's going to just kind of steam them for several minutes. You don't want to cook them too much because then they'll turn into more of like a mashed potato texture. So just several minutes and test them with a fork. A steamer pot will allow less water to get into them, so if you can find one, definitely get one. Chef says he loves his. So let's go ahead and start off with our ground bay leaves. This is going to be our seasoning. And then he's going to add some dry mustard, ground ginger, some allspice, chili powder, paprika, and he's going to do a little bit of salt and pepper, just a pinch, some cinnamon, some garlic powder, and then he's just going to whisk that all together. Now, if you have different seasonings you like, you can by all means use those, experiment, use less, use more, whatever. These came out pretty good. It was a pretty good mixture. So it's been several minutes. Chef is going to take a little gander here. Alright, so the fork went in a little bit of pushback, so they're pretty good. Again, you don't want to cook these too long. Chef's going to go ahead and remove these, put them on a paper plate with the paper towel under it, and he's just going to kind of pat them dry a little bit because they are going to have a little dampness to them. Next up, Chef's just going to take a little bit of melted butter, or if you want just a little touch of oil, just to kind of brush on those because you want your seasoning to stick to them. So glaze those up with just a little bit of melted butter, and then just go ahead and sprinkle your seasoning over the tops. You can turn them over and do both sides. And then go ahead and get our grill fired up. So Chef went ahead and just laid these on the grill, nice and evenly spread out. He has it on around medium heat to high, and as you can see, they're nice and seasoned both sides now. Several minutes. What he's going to do now is flip them, and here's a good little video. They're cooking nicely, got some nice charred edges. A few minutes each side, just look for the crispiness and a little bit of the char. After that's set and they've been on the grill for several minutes, to your liking that is, take them off, plate them up, and there you have it, grilled French fries. First time I've had them personally. I enjoyed them. I liked them. Chef did a great job. Different take. They have some nice grill marks, as you can see, so kind of cool to try something new. Again, we missed everybody, all of the YouTubers that we watch, all the YouTubers that are watching us, and other people, non-YouTubers. We missed you so much, and we hope to get back into it. Don't forget, everyone, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it. We're back, baby! We're back! For real.